15 reasons why models swear by squats. For the last few years, squats' popularity seems to rise among workout enthusiasts. At a glance, they look so easy and simple, but they're actually not. It's one of the exercises that challenge most of your body muscles. Many got into the squats craze when it was also revealed to be an effective body-shaping method. In the modeling world, squats are actually the exercise that keep models in shape. Squats have been part of their workout routines as they are very effective in shaping the body. Now, let's take a look at 15 reasons why models swear by squats, shall we? Number 1. Many variations to choose from. Squats offer so many variations that you can do. This lets models pick ones that work best for them. Trying out different squat variations also means training different muscle groups. Psychologically, squat variations help with motivation. The different moves keep the exercise interesting because you don't have to do the same repetitive moves over and over again. Moreover, mastering one squat variation will give you a sense of accomplishment, and this will push you to try on the other variations. Number 2. Increases lower body strength. Squats are all about lower body training. The knee bending moves help activate a certain group of muscles. Although squats may activate the muscles of your entire body, they primarily target glutes, hamstrings, calves, abductors, adductors, and quads. The trained muscles contribute to strengthening the lower body. Number 3. Strengthen core muscles. A study in 2018 compared back squats to planks. It showed that back squats result in greater activation of core muscles than planks did. The core muscles work by stabilizing your body when your knees are on a 90-degree angle. Healthy and strong core muscles contribute to boosting athletic performance. It also improves balance and body posture, which are every model's greatest concern. Number 4. Power up. Squats target the muscles that you use to carry out dynamic tasks, such as walking and carrying heavy stuff. Squats train these muscles so that with the same effort you can give out more strength. Needless to say that squats help to perform better in athletic-related activities. For models, doing squats helps them to endure better in other workout routines. This results in more effective energy usage. On the runway, the models will feel lighter and be able to walk more comfortably. Number 5. Improves flexibility. Squats increase flexibility, especially in the lower back and hip area. The body moves through a full range of motion during squats. This increases the motion range in your hip area, making it more flexible. Good flexibility leads to even more benefits. For example, you will get less back pain in your day-to-day activities. Number 6. Reducing the risk of injury. Working out is every model's routine. It often involves more than one exercise in a short period. Doing a series of different exercises is quite a tenuous activity. The poor strength of tendons, ligaments, and bones is among the causes of injury. A proper squat can help strengthen those areas, hence reducing the risk of injury. Due to this reason, squats have also been used for therapy purposes. Number 7. Calorie burner. Models are very strict with their calorie intake. Besides a designated diet plan, they need a complementary workout. The work of muscle groups in an exercise allows the body to release the anabolic hormone. This hormone helps to lose fat and build muscles. Talk about hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. A study compared body weight squats to the leg press machine. It revealed that at the same level of intensity, squats activate more muscles. More activated muscles equal a greater hormonal response. This shows that the squat is a very effective calorie burner. Number 8. Strengthens heart and lungs. Even in basic squats, you require to give out enough effort. The effort you exert will help strengthen the heart muscles and improve lung capacity. Besides, the up and down movement triggers your heart to pump more, which results in better overall body performance. Number 9. Improves circulation and digestion. the bloodstream circulates oxygen and nutrients. It distributes them to the body's organs at a certain speed. As you squat, the speed of the fluid that travels through your body also increases. This allows for better circulation. The fluid reaches the destination organs faster, containing more oxygen and nutrients. Organs in the digestive system receive oxygen and nutrients. This improves your body's efficiency to digest better. Number 10. Tones leg muscles. For models, having toned legs is a must. Squats are the best workout to tone the leg muscles. You will be able to notice the results within 4 to 8 weeks since you started. In the beginning, the result isn't necessarily obvious to the eyes, but you will notice it in the form of gradual ease each time you carry out a series of squats. Number 11. Better body form. Balance, mobility, and posture. These are the most important points for a model when they walk on the runway. The strengthened lower body muscles give a domino effect to the entire body. Stable muscles help with balance and allow better communication between the brain and the muscle groups. This lets models execute better full body movements. Number 12. Body shaping gem. Models need to always stay in shape. Maintaining body shape while being fit is probably the model's utmost priority, and squats give them both. Besides the health benefits, no doubt adding squats to your workout routine does wonders to your body shaping quest. Many trainers recommend doing squats for an obvious, almost instant result. Note that we are talking about body shaping, not a fast food restaurant. It does take time, but is still more effective than other large muscle group exercises. And of course, proper diet plans give additional support in getting the desired body shape. Number 13. Squats, the workout of the angels. You can't talk about body goals without mentioning the Victoria's Secret angels and models. It turns out that squats are the favorite workout of some angels. Like Harper's Bazaar quoted in their article, Cindy Bruna started to like squats because they gave the most obvious results. Jasmine Tooks agreed to that because that's how you build the booty. On the other hand, Josephine Scriver was in a love-hate relationship with squats. She thought that squats hurt the most, yet are some of the most effective workouts. And when the words come from the angels, you don't need proof. They are the proof. Number 14. Improves workout efficiency. The variations of heavy squats are heavy. The moves will raise your heart rate and heartbeat. You will feel your legs burn in no time, but the pain doesn't betray. It's super effective and efficient. Time management-wise, it can save you more time to do other activities. This is such a good deal, especially for models with a packed schedule. Number 15. You can do it anywhere. Yes, as mentioned before, you don't always require equipment to do squats. The most basic squats exercise is body weight squat, or you can also call it air squat. This allows models to do squats backstage until minutes before rocking the runway. And for you couch potatoes, that way you can't make up an excuse when it comes to doing squats. You can even do squats in the bedroom. There are a lot of squat exercise videos available online, and some of them are real gym instructors with experience. So you won't need to worry about spraining your muscles as long as you follow their instructions correctly. Exercise like a model. Those were the 15 reasons why squats are popular among models. Given the benefits and effectiveness, no wonder it's something that models swear by. Not only do squats keep your body in shape, but they also boost your stamina to get you through the day. Combine squats with proper diet plans and it's the bomb. Keep in mind that getting in shape is not a matter of how many squats you can do in a day. It's the will and persistence to build a healthy habit, which later becomes a lifestyle.